Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today we have August's Sock It To Me Challenge 2022 roundup. And I only managed to get one pair of socks done this month. But first off, before we go through anything, I would like to thank the following people. We've got Amy Knits, we have got Ingrid Inspirations, Spring Fibre Enthusiast, Mimi Cat Do for sharing their socks that they've made for July and August, and they will be at the end of the video in this little slideshow. So thank you so much, ladies. You're all doing an amazing job, and as you all know, this is a collaboration with Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits. We decided last year to challenge ourselves to make at least one pair of socks every month, and I think we're both keeping up with the challenge, which is yay. So we've only got 4 more months left: September, October, November, December. 4 more pairs of socks left to make. So I will share with you the socks. My socks are zebra print, and they are from, so there we go, and these are actually my socks, guys. I've made these for me for the winter, and I'm really pleased with how they've come out. They look super. So yeah, so they're my socks. They're my socks, guys. They're my socks. Silly move. So what yarn have I used? Well, as you all know, V was kind enough to go to the Hobby Lobby clearance for me this year and got me some sock yarn, among other things. And she got me the Peyton's Croy socks, and this is actually the zebra print, and it's a super fine, which is a number 1. And let me see, I think, yeah, 75% nylon, 75% wool, 25% nylon, and they're 50 grams, and I got 250 grams, and that's all I've got left from the making those socks. So that's that. And the pattern that I actually used, because this month we said we would use a pattern, not do a vanilla sock and that, and the pattern I've used is let me see, where's the, I have used, sorry, it's in this wallet, I have used Kay's Butterfly Kisses socks from the Kay, who, as we all know, is the crazy sock lady. So yes, so and these will also be entered, well, you know, these are also for the hashtag Summer Sock Camp 2022 using circular needles. So yeah, so that is for August. Now guys, I've got a little job for you. I want you to tell me, as you all know, I did a yarn haul earlier in the month, a small one, sock yarn haul from Vicky Designs, Vicky Brown Designs, who is based here in the UK, and I got 3 skeins of sock yarn. So guys, what do you think September's sock colour should be? Should they be the green? Should they be, hold on, how many? 100 grams, yeah, there's plenty there. The coral, or should I go all out and do the lemon yellow? So guys, I know which colour I'm thinking of. Answers on a postcard. So which colour do you think that I'm going to pick? The yellow, the coral, or the green? You pick and I will do. So let's see how many people will leave a comment and tell me. I know the colour that I want to use. Can you pick the same colour that I want to use next? I just want a cheerful colour, guys. I want to use a cheerful colour. So which colour shall I use? So that's all from me for today, guys. Take care, stay safe, but importantly, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.